Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a full-length video on hair. If you have not been following me over on shorts, I have been posting a ton of YouTube shorts recently, so make sure you go check those out. If you are new here, hi, my name is Cassie. I create fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content across all of my social media platforms. They're all at Cassie L. Rodgers. All the links will be down below if you want to check me out on my other channels. Today we are going to be filming an empties video. Now, I have quite a few empties. This is going to be the last empties video of the year. Before we get into that, I wanted to talk a little bit about Vlogmas this year. Normally I vlog almost every day or every other day in December. I've done it probably since 2015, 2014, but a lot of those videos are private now. Anyway, this year I will be doing 12 days of Vlogmas over on Shorts, Reels, and TikTok, so make sure you guys are all following me there and make sure to keep an eye out for those shorts. I have decided I'm going to do 12 days of Vlogmas starting on December 12th through the 24th, so make sure you are checking me out on Shorts and my other platforms that I mentioned. I will put little pictures on the side here so you can go check that out. Before I ramble on any longer, let's just get right on into the empties video. Everyone say hi to Be Real. Okay, let's get into this video now. Okay, so I have quite a few like body and skincare and some hair care empties. Not as much makeup this time around. So to start it off, I have the Dr. Teal's Skin Therapy Milk Bath. This is the restorative skin with valerian root, passion flower, and essential oils. This stuff is amazing. It totally got me into milk baths. I've actually been making my own milk bath. I will leave the link to that down below. It's great. I absolutely love it. It leaves your skin super nourished feeling. It doesn't irritate my skin at all. I do have really sensitive skin. I love this stuff. It has coconut milk and almond milk, so if you're allergic to dairy, and I know a lot of bath milks have dairy in them, so this does not include any dairy. It has plant-based milks, so this is great. And the bottle is made with 50% recycled plastic. I just read that. And it has a light, like lavender kind of sleepy scent. It's not super overwhelming, and I love this stuff. I've repurchased it already. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, next I have the Olaplex number 4 and the Olaplex number 6. This is the shampoo. I've mentioned it before in my empties videos. Absolutely love this stuff. I went blonde well, I first dyed my hair in August of 2020. I went blonder and then I kind of went back to a little bit more natural of a blonde look. So this stuff really does nourish my hair. I use it every time I wash my hair. It is great. This stuff, Olaplex number 6, I use this before I blow dry my hair as a styler and kind of smoother. It helps to minimize frizz and flyaways, and this bottle, no joke, I think I had this since I first dyed my hair in like 2020, and I just ran out like a month ago. So it lasts forever. You need the tiniest amount for fine hair, and if you have thicker hair or more hair, obviously you're gonna need more. But this stuff is great, and they did change the packaging, which I like the new packaging a lot more than this packaging. So I highly recommend this if you have color processed hair. Okay, I have a couple eye masks. I have the Patchology Rejuvenating Eye Gels. This was a 15 count. I love these. They're pricey. I try to catch them when they're on sale, but they're great. You leave them on for 5 minutes. It's really easy to do before you do your makeup or just like in the bathtub if you just want to chill. They're great. I love the way they make my under eyes feel. They don't irritate my eyes. They're fantastic. These next eye masks are the Mask Bar Gold Hydro Eye Hydrogel Eye Masks. I love these. I've loved Mask Bar products forever, and I do have an affiliate link with them, so if you want to get 10% off of this product and lots more products from them, I will leave a link down below and my code as well. I'll put it on the screen. But these took me forever to go through. These are 20-minute eye masks, so if you're really just having a chill day and you want to just lay in the tub, I pop these on. I use them under sheet masks as well, just to kind of give my skin a little extra care. Next, I have the June X Moon Coconut Cleanse and Exfoliate Whipped Sugar Scrub. This is my favorite sugar scrub ever. I use it on my legs before I shave. This product is becoming a little bit harder to find. They have it at Target, but only certain stores and online. But I absolutely love this stuff. It's great. It smells. This one was a coconut scent. I love the coconut scent and the lavender scent. I do prefer the lavender scent. But this stuff is just a light exfoliation. It's kind of a whipped consistency, so it really just nourishes your skin as well as exfoliates, and it doesn't like really, it's not super scratchy, if that makes sense. But yeah, love this stuff. It is one of my go-tos. Another go-to is the Chill Kitten moisturizer from I Do Care. This stuff is tried and true. I started using it a couple years ago and have never stopped. I will continue to repurchase this, and every time they send it to me, I'm super grateful. So I love this stuff. One of my favorite face masks is the Pumpkin Powerhouse from Bliss. This is a resurfacing enzyme mask. It has AHAs in it. I love this stuff. It's gentle enough to use multiple times a week, and it doesn't irritate my skin or over dry my skin. It is a great dupe for the more expensive pumpkin masks that are out there. So I highly recommend this mask if you want to have a pumpkin kind of resurfacing exfoliating mask. It's great for those little like irritating bumps you get on your skin. I really, really love this mask and have repurchased it already. And I wish it came in a bigger, like the jar looks pretty big, but you don't get a ton of product. So I wish that it did come with a little bit more product in it for the price, but you do get 1 ounce. So I love this stuff. And really quick, I just want to mention how much easier it is to recycle stuff when I do these videos, because I obviously rinse all these out because I keep them until I have enough to do a video. I rinse these out pretty good and make sure they're dry before I put them in the bin that I have for my empties videos, and it's a lot easier just to pop these in the recycle instead of throwing them away. So I highly recommend you rinse out your jars and put them in the recycle instead of throwing them out. Okay, I'm gonna kind of stick with skincare here. I have the Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid and B5. This is again one of my favorite serums. I haven't been using hyaluronic acid as much in the winter. I saw on TikTok somewhere that it said that if your skin's pretty dry, you shouldn't use hyaluronic acid because hyaluronic acid needs moisture to work well, and it will just kind of pull all the moisture out of your skin if your skin is pretty dry. So I've been using a different serum in the winter, but I absolutely love this stuff for kind of spring, summer, when my skin's a little bit more oily. Okay, this stuff, if you don't know, I am kind of intolerant to dairy. It makes me break out all right here. I get like under the skin bumps that just never go away if I eat dairy. This stuff, I had a little bit too much ricotta cheese one time and it made my skin flare up. This stuff I literally went through probably 8 of these before it went away. But oh my god, these pore strips from Peace Out work so well on those tiny little bumps that you get that don't go away at all. So I highly recommend these if you get those annoying bumps that you just can't get rid of. Wear them at night and they'll be gone or almost gone in the morning. Okay, I have the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I like this stuff. I know some people have their opinions on it. I just personally like a facial mist that I can use with a gua sha or my ice roller or something just to kind of make the tools work a little bit better. I like it. I know people have their opinions on it. I don't think it does anything bad for my skin, so I use it. I probably won't repurchase them, but I bought a pack at Costco, I think, when I saw them, and I've been going through them. Okay, moving on to some other stuff here. I have the Batiste dry shampoo in the original classic scent. I was surprised I went through this as fast as I did. I wash my hair every other day, and depending on the time of the year, I use this if I'm not just like slicking my hair back in a ponytail. It works great. I know that there's been a huge recall and everyone's kind of freaking out about dry shampoo right now, but this one doesn't have the ingredient that everyone was freaking out about. I can't remember it off the top of my head, but yeah, I love Batiste dry shampoo. Last couple body care products are a couple from Bath & Body Works. These are little mini body wash and foam baths in the aromatherapy line. This is the lavender and vanilla. This is my go-to scent. I absolutely love it. But one day they didn't have this and I had a coupon and I got the eucalyptus and spearmint. When I tell you I did not expect to love this as much as I did, I need to go pick up some more because this scent, compared to the other eucalyptus scents that are out there in different brands, I love this stuff. It is superior. It is just great. I love it. Smell it, it's so relaxing, and I love a nice bubble bath just to end the day. It just makes everything better. And this stuff, I do really only buy this stuff when I have coupons because it is getting up there in price. Like these bottles are almost $8 now. Okay, moving on to makeup now. I have the Flower Beauty Jet Set Invisible Powder Spray. This stuff works amazing in the summer for just a light way to set your makeup. It doesn't make you super cakey, and I love it's innovative too. Like this doesn't exist anywhere else that I know of, but I love this stuff. It doesn't have a scent. It doesn't leave like a white cast. You can just spray it directly on your face or on a sponge just to kind of touch up extra areas you need. I've repurchased this and I haven't been using it much because my skin's been pretty dry, but in the summer I absolutely love this, so for kind of just a refresh or to set your makeup. And an oldie but a goodie that I recently rediscovered was the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I had a little mini version that I've used up. I have a full size that I'm just starting to use. This stuff is great. It's a great price point. It sets my makeup really well. I've noticed that my makeup doesn't budge as much when I use this, and I love that, so I don't know why I ever stopped using this, but I love it. Okay, just kidding, I have one more skincare product. This is the Lightning Wand from Hero Cosmetics. This helps brighten dark spots, and I know I'm guilty of this. A lot of you are probably too. I pick at my acne. I know I shouldn't, but I do. And I put this on towards the end of a pimple cycle, I want to say, like when it's just starting to heal, but you know it's going to scar. You start putting this on. You can use it at night or in the morning. I use it at night. It works wonders. It's absolutely worth it. Works way better than any high-end product that I have used before. This isn't sponsored, but oh my god, this stuff is... Now, I have been using a lot of new mascaras this like end of the year. So I have my tried and true L'Oreal Voluminous Base Primer. This stuff is amazing for a primer. It is getting up there in price now, but if you can catch it on sale, definitely pick some up because it does wonders for my eyelashes. And I do notice a difference when I don't use it. So works great as a primer. I have the Wet n Wild and Stitch collab. This is the Flying High waterproof mascara. I didn't know this was waterproof actually. I should have tested that out more when I had it, but this is a great mascara. It's okay. This is an okay mascara. It wasn't my favorite. It was a part of the Stitch box that I had. I also will pop that video up here if you want to see it. But yeah, it was an okay mascara. I didn't mind it. And this was in Galactic Black. And lastly, I have a couple Milk mascaras. I was sent these from Octoly. I like both of these. I like the Milk Makeup Rise mascara better for my bottom lashes, and the Milk Makeup Kush mascara I used a lot on my lashes, and it worked great. I think this is a nice mascara for both volume and lengthening. This is more of a lengthening one, so that's why I used it only on my bottom lashes. But overall, depending on what you're looking for, both of these are decent mascaras for the price. And the last product I have here is a Revlon eyelash curler that just kind of stopped working as well as it used to. I don't really put a lot of money into these because I do go through them quite quickly, but I wish that I could find refills for these because I can't. And if you know where to find them, please comment it below because I always just end up buying a new one. And it's kind of wasteful, but this is the only one that works for me, so that's what I've been using. And this is, they last a pretty decent amount of time too. This one I had for a couple years before it stopped working as well as I thought. Just the springs get worn out, you know? Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. If you stayed till the end, comment a Santa emoji so I know you did. I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel here, as well as follow all my other social platforms, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!